We got us a little campsite here in Bernalillo, and it's pretty much right next to the river. So we're just doing a little night fishing. Probably one of the best times I've had fishing in a while. Hopefully we can get on one. So I came down and scouted a little spot on the river, close to my camp as possible. It was windy as heck that day, but it wasn't going to stop me still going fishing. It was about 9 o'clock when I made it back down to the water and got set up. There was pretty much no more wind by this time. Perfect timing. That's the moon over the Sandias. That was pretty cool. We got to see the moon rise over the Sandias. Out here night fishing in Bernalillo. Feels like I'm getting a little bite there on the small rod. Ooh, just missed him. Feels like I'm getting a bunch of little bites. Got him. Got him. Yeah. Yeah. What do we got here? Oh, we got a little baby bullhead. Yeah. Haha, we got us a little baby bullhead. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Nice. Kind of swallowed it. Dang, poor guy. We'll have to cut him off. Let's see if we can get that out of there. I think we can get that hook out. Let's try. Alright, there goes that little baby bullhead. Let's let her go. Definitely one of the best times I've ever had fishing. Night fishing, Rio Grande River. So here we go, we're gonna trek back through the bosque to get back to the campground. It's getting kind of chilly out here by the water. Let's shut this one down here. Let's see, there we go. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can find our way back. Hopefully we're not lost. Hold on, let me put you on time lapse. Just give me a sec.